Hello, dear students. Today I want to describe class 11th physics chapter 1. Chapter's name is physical words. This chapter contains only some definitions about science, physics, classification of physics, fundamental forces and nature of laws. So in which first topic we will describe about the science. Science originates from the Latin word scientia, meaning to know. This knowledge which humans have gained through observations and experiments when organized systematically is called science. In other words, we can say science is a systematized and well organized knowledge of any objects, and science is categorized in different branch, that is physical science, chemical science and biological science. First we will describe about the physical science, that is physics. So physics is the branch of science which is developed to the study of nature and the natural phenomenon. And physics is classified in different parts, in which first part is classical physics and other part is quantum physics. Classical physics is the old theory of physics which deals the every phenomenon at the microscopic domain, that means at a particle level, at a object level. But quantum physics is the modern theory of physics which deals about the microscopic level, that is atomic level, like electron, proton, neutron. And classical physics is divided in different parts, which is mechanics, thermodynamics, electrodynamics, optics, etc. Mechanics is the sub branch of science which deals the motion of any object, and thermodynamics is the sub branch of physics which deals the study of heat and its phenomenon. Electrodynamics is the sub branch of physics which deals the electrostatics and magnetism both. And optics is the sub branch of physics which deals the study of light and its phenomena. And now we will discuss about the some topics of the fundamental forces. What are the fundamental forces? Fundamental forces are those forces which is which is originated with observation. It cannot be derived, like a gravitational force. Second, electromagnetic force. Third, strong nuclear force. And fourth is weak nuclear force. Gravitational force you have known in the previous class, like ninth, the force acting between any two objects in the universe is known as gravitational force. That is F equal to G m1 m2 upon r square. That is Newton's law, Newton's gravitation law. And second is electromagnetic forces, like Coulomb's law. And you will study this topic in class 12. And third is strong nuclear forces, like force acting between the light nuclei. That is force acting between proton and neutron. And the weak nuclear force are those forces which is also a force between the nucleons, that is heavy nucleons. And its strength can be written as Fg means gravitational force, Fw means weak nuclear force, Fe means electrostatic force, and Fn means nuclear force, that is strong nuclear force. These are in the ratio 1 ratio 10 power 25 ratio 10 power 36 ratio 10 power 38. That means strong nuclear force is very strongest force between all of them. And now the last topic is nature of physical laws. Some special physical quantities remains constant in time. These are called the conserved quantities of nature, in which the first lies law of conservation of energy, law of conservation of linear momentum, law of conservation of angular momentum, and fourth is law of conservation of charge. And you have known in the previous class about the law of conservation of energy. Energy neither be created nor be destroyed, but it will transfer from one form to another form. And second topic is law of conservation of linear momentum. According to this, momentum before collision becomes equal to the momentum after collision. And you will study in class 11th about the law of conservation of angular momentum and law of conservation of charge. Charge neither be created nor be destroyed, but it will transfer from one form to another form according to law of conservation of angular momentum. When no external torque is acting on any system, then its angular momentum remains conserved. You will study this topic in class 11th. Only these topics are present in the first chapter. This is only knowledge point of view in physical words. That's all. Okay, chapter number first is finished.